Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening photos and finding the picture you want. Make a duplicate immediately to preserve the original. Tap Edit to enter non-destructive mode so changes can be reverted. Now assess orientation, exposure, and focal point. Crop to remove distractions, use the grid for composition, and apply auto as a quick baseline. Once done, you'll have a safe copy and a clear starting point. This prevents accidental loss and gives you a neutral reference to compare further adjustments. Now you dig into precise controls. Open light and tweak exposure, highlights, shadows, and contrast to shape tonality. Move to color to adjust saturation, vibrance, and warmth. Use selective color to protect skin tones or isolate a hue. Then address detail. Apply noise reduction carefully to avoid plastic skin, add sharpness incrementally, and zoom to 100% to evaluate artifacts. Once done, compare against the duplicate. Toggle the before/after to verify the edit's improved clarity without introducing unwanted side effects. To finish, decide on creative touches. Apply a subtle filter or vignette and use the retouch tool for small blemishes. Work with short strokes and undo often. When satisfied, tap Done to save non-destructively, then export with the file type and quality you need. Choose HEIF or JPEG and set resolution according to destination. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicate copy or reset individual tools to clear artifacts. This restores control without losing your original capture and helps isolate the problematic adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.